Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, and now we are here to deliver an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI technology and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has ranked Meta as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.84. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.92%. This results in an average return of 0.7% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock currently rests in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $658.58 would signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 9.2% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 1.32% to 11.7%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 33.3% over the next year, with potential returns between 13.54% and 35.85%. This would translate to a price range of $735.17 to $879.64 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta features the headline, Green Day on Friday for Meta. The Meta stock price increased by 1.73% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, rising from $636.45 to $647.49. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.79%, with a low of $634.28 and a high of $651.99. The stock has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, showing an increase of 6.02% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also increased on the last day, coinciding with the rise in price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 9 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with approximately 19 million shares exchanging hands for around $12.3 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $651.99, while the lowest was $387.10. Currently, the price stands at 0.69%, or $4.50, below the 52-week high of $651.99, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is making headlines with its ambitious plans to invest up to $65 billion in artificial intelligence in 2025. CEO Mark Zuckerberg is positioning the company to take a leadership role in AI technology, a move that could significantly boost Meta's growth trajectory. This substantial capital expenditure is expected to enhance Meta's data centers and overall technological infrastructure, further positioning it as a powerhouse in virtual reality, augmented reality, and the metaverse. The company's stock has recently reached record highs, showcasing strong investor confidence, driven by outperforming earnings estimates and robust growth potential. Analysts are optimistic, projecting a target price of $750 by year-end, with an estimated earnings per share in 2025 around $28, indicating Meta remains relatively undervalued at a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 20. In addition to AI investments, Meta is diversifying revenue streams through its Threads microblogging platform by testing advertisements, aiming to monetize a service that has already attracted over 300 million monthly users. This diversification could open new revenue channels, further solidifying Meta's market position. In the short term, investor sentiment is likely to remain positive, spurred by the AI investments and earnings performance. Long term, if Meta successfully capitalizes on these initiatives, we could see substantial growth in both revenue and profitability, which may continue to drive the stock higher. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Meta a strong buy rating alongside a hold action. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Meta an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Meta an overweight rating, also with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight rating and a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Meta an outperform rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock an overall neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given this stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Meta stock is receiving buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $623.58 and $612.35. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 8.96%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 36 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average shows a buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 119 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 112 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $591.80 and $585.25. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Meta has support just below today's level at $591.80. Should this level be broken, the next support is found at $585.25 and $567.58. This stock typically experiences good trading volume, and with minimal daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $17.71, a change of 2.79% between its high and low. Throughout the last week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 2.63%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 29th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.75. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this situation, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $591.80. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 27,039 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 41.271. In total, insiders acquired 97,534 shares and divested 235,468 shares during the last 100 trades. We recommend setting a stop loss at $623.79, reflecting a decrease of 3.66%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to lower risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta holds several positive signals and is within a weak rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it a wise choice at these current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, January 27th, we expect Meta to open down $2.90, starting at $644.59. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.